Okay, it's Interactive Monday. So now this video is for my Buick friends. We'll start off by saying WS6, now I know what you're talking about. You're exactly right. I believe I was supposed to put those clamps on the hose that you're talking about for the pump, not the return on the side. I didn't know what you're talking about at first. You're exactly right. The car is running fantastic, but you know, I don't have a gauge inside the car to read my fuel pressure. But I do want to, it seems like there's no issues, but I pulled a plug, and I want all you Buick guys, I need you to help me. What's your thoughts? These plugs only have about 4,000 miles on them. I think it's got a little too much advance, but you know, it's a computer controlled car. When I tune my carburetor cars or even my Sniper EFIs with timing control, I like that black mark to be on the apex of the strap. And the further down that soot goes, means that the way I've always done it, you've got too much advance. You guys tell me, does this look like it has too much advance to you? How does that plug look? And the plug is an NGK. It's an NGK UR4GP. Again, it's not fouled. You can always tell when you put the octane boosters like I put in, they'll have that orangish look. But if you look down in the plug, you guys, can you see it? I want your thoughts. Tell me, give me some advice. Give me your thoughts on how that plug looks. Now, the LS translator on this car, that's the other part I want your input on. Okay, so if you look on the back of the plate, I have, I believe, the extender chip. The extender chip, 6.25, and this was marked as such when I bought it, 6.25. So it's a 6.25 chip. Extender, the mode is extender. On the dip switches, if you look here, on the dip switches over here, I have, maybe I have it backwards, I don't know, but I don't think I do. So yeah, I have on, off, off. So let me know. Just want to make sure I'm doing this right. Here's the other thing. On the dials, here's where I have the dials for the base. On the base map, I've got it set on, it looks I've got it set on 5. 5 on the translator is saying the 3-inch sensor, does that say NPT for NGT for extreme? 10% lean at idle. So that's where I've got it set at 5. Okay? On the wide open throttle, I've got that dial set at number 4. Number 4 says 8% rich, wide open throttle. You guys tell me, this has the 36-pound injectors that's got the stock turbo, the stock intercooler. I just put the mass airflow translator on it in this pipe, this cold air intake on it. That's pretty much it. So, do I have that set properly? Is that where it needs to be? You guys please tell me, because I want to make sure. The plug seems to be, I was really concerned after WS6 made that comment. I was like, man, he's right. So after doing some, wide open throttle runs, everything seemed fine, but I wanted to pull a plug and see if I saw any kind of lean conditions. So thank you, WS6, buddy. And if I see anything going on, I'm going to go ahead and pull that tank and put those on there. I see what you're saying. Under pressure, you're saying that it could swell. That hose, I had hell getting that hose on the pump and the pipe. I had to use my Earl's lubricant, and it's shoved all the way up on there, and it took some doing to cram it up in there, but that doesn't mean that it's right. So again, you guys, please give me your thoughts and suggestions to make sure I'm not making a harebrained mistake. So hey, everybody have a good day.